Welcome back to Kerin Up Top Kitchen. See what I'm going to do right now? I have all these spices seasoning what I'm going to blend. I remember I tell you guys I was going to blend up my blend to let you see what is in my blend. Okay, this is it. I have some celery, I have some ginger, I have some garlics, I have some thyme, I have some bell pepper, which is red. I have the green one, I have the yellow ones, I have some onions, I have the real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, I have some scallions, and I have my onions. I don't remember if I said onions, but I have my onions, right? So all of these is going to clean and get cut up, and I put it in the blender and blend it. So the first thing now, I try to open. This is how you do it. Open. That's it. These are already washed. You have to wash those. The thyme has to wash. So I have to clean the ginger real properly. So see, this is how it is, clean. Now I have to strip all these garlics. Garlics take a long time to strip, but it worth it. See, good. These pepper we don't have to cut them, we just pop them. They're going to blend whole, seed and all, everything is going to blend. Okay, and these are the scallions. People call it, I don't know, people call it green onions. Some people call it green onions in America. We call it scallions. And that's it. That is how we do it. Okay. So I finished all my cutting up and everything. So this is, I have to wash them nicely. This is the ginger. I don't use too much ginger because I use it for everything, ackee and saltfish, for everything. So some food doesn't require ginger, so I don't use too much ginger. So see, I have 6 to 8 cloves of garlic there, 8 heads, garlic heads. So, but you know, you have to wash them nicely. This is a thyme. You know what's thyme? Good. This is it. So do some kind of chopping. Not too small, not too big. because it's going in the blender. I don't mix it with nothing. Some people put olive oil, some people add water. I don't do nothing because this is enough. This is water already. The bell pepper and the onion is already water, so I don't have to use water. By itself, you know everything is blended. See? Good. That means everything is chopped up. What I do, my container. Okay, so that is scallion, little onion. So I try to mix them. So now I'm going to use some pepper and garlic. So everything turn over. So see, that is green. So I don't put any water. I don't put no oil. Some people use oil, some people use water. I don't, because all these onions and garlic and sweet pepper and all those things, everything's water, so you don't need no more water in it. When I see it not spinning like that, I have to put more onions or stuff to it, that it could get it more old water, so I don't have to cut it. It's too thick. There it is, stop it. That's all you have to wait for. Everything to turn over. There it is. Boom. That's how it is. So you know that one is finished. So put it to the rest. The hardest part in this is to get them clean, cut and clean. That's the hardest part in it. It's not that hard. See what's bring the most water? The onions. So you don't have to use no water. The onions are 90% water with the bell pepper. So I hear a lot of people say when they do it, they have to use oil, or they tip a little water in it. You don't need nothing. Once you turn over enough, that's it. Once you turn over enough, you know that it's good. There it is. Boom. How you like that? Yeah. See? God, this is the onion. So when you finish, you have to mix up everything, but is how you blend everything together. I'm chopping up more onions than for the thyme, because the thyme it's too dry. So if it goes in, it will never blend. So what I try to do, see the thyme. So what I try to do is use the onions or the bell pepper that have enough water in it, so we don't have to, for the thyme do not have enough water. See? Note the thyme is blend out. See? Good. See? So this, I have a couple friends ask me to blend some stuff for them, so that's why I blended so many. I didn't have to blend so much for myself, but I get some orders from my girlfriend. So real natural stuff, nothing fake. See? So when I'm ready to cook now, I just take out some of this and put on my meat or anything what I'm cooking. I can't be bothered to be cutting up. This is it. This takes me a long time to get done, but it lasts me for about maybe a month. The most important thing, after you do this, never you dip a dirty spoon or dirty utensils in this and touch the meat and put it back. It's no good after that. You have to keep it well clean. See? No water, and it pours out like water, isn't it? Because this have a lot of water, consistent with a lot of water. Perfect. Okay, so this is the last. So what's going to happen now is okay. So what we do now, just mix everything together. Everything. So we have around 6 bell peppers, around 8 head of garlics, around couple pieces of ginger, around 6 what I call the celery sticks, around 6 celery sticks, thyme, pepper. So we mix everything up. That's onions. We have around about 8 to 10 onions. So everything mixed together. This is the finished look. Now, so this is my container. This is for the house. Oh, good. So this will last me for about a month. God. Oh. This is for the house. So all I have to do now, just refrigerate. Don't forget, always refrigerate it, and do not contaminate it with another dirty utensils, like from the dirty meat to the season. No good. If you take something, just take some out and put it on your meat. Never touch it with the dirty utensils. So now this is for my girlfriend. So I'm going to buckle these up for my girlfriend, and this is for me, and last for about a month. Anyway, subscribe and welcome back again.